Welcome to this video on waterfall chart. It is a type of chart that is used to show how our measure is affected by series of negative or positive value. In this video, we will take a closer look at what waterfall chart are, why they are useful and how they can help you visualize changes in different factors that affect overall performance. A waterfall chart is a visualization representation of how starting value is changed by series of positive and negative values. The chart is called waterfall chart because bars representing the values are arranged in a way that resembles waterfall. The initial value is represented by a horizontal bar and subsequent values are shown as extending upward or downward from the initial bar. Why to use waterfall chart? Waterfall charts are useful for understanding how changes in different factors affect our overall performance. They can be used to show changes in revenue, expenses, profit, and other financial or non-financial metrics. In coming slides, I will be describing how to make a waterfall chart using Tableau using sample superstore dataset.